My thermostat's location doesn't affect heating and cooling.
Completely false. If you have sunlight coming in directly hitting your thermostat or a lot of cold air hitting your thermostat, it'll cause your thermostat to have a false reading, causing your HVAC system to either run or not run when it's not supposed to. To learn more, check out our other videos on our Vogel YouTube channel or call us directly at our office.
At 314-351-2533, schedule a service today.